Infrastructural development in our country.
Hello friends, I'm going to talk about the infrastructure development in our country. Our country in last decade is increasing the infrastructure development in many sectors such as construction, building of more machineries. And due to our infrastructure development, there is a lot of there's a lot of help to increase our economy of our country. And infrastructure development has been proved by many of the big businessmen and that so they can increase the buildings and many shopping malls. That's all. Thank you.
Tell us about Babri Masjid case in UP.
Hello friends, this is one of the trending topic which has been going on since last 3 decades about the Babri Masjid and Ram Temple in Ayodhya. This topic is become the most disputed and more fascinating topic between the two religion sets of our country, like Hindu and Muslim. So in today's newspaper, the Supreme Court has said that the verdict will be not on the religious point of view. The verdict will be given on the point of view that whose land it was. So that's all. Thank you.
Tell us about subconscious mind.
Yeah. Hello friends, today I am going to tell about the parts of mind which are been divided into two, which will be subcategorized as that is the emotional part of the mind. So there is one conscious mind, subconscious mind and conscious mind. So subconscious mind is a part where you immerse the thoughts in that and the subconscious mind work according to that. So one of the famous Dr. Joseph Murphy has been working on work on this part of a mind as one of the major driving force to lead to the success. That's all. Thank you.
Tell us about impact of TV and media.
Yeah, in increasing media and television has been enormous in our country and in across all the world. So TV and media has been one of the biggest influencer around the youth and many part of the groups which are being influenced by the TV and media. And TV and media are one of the biggest form which can socialize our country and make the welfare of the country. That's all.
Tell us about sports.
Sports is a recreational part of our human being. But nowadays, from last few years, sports has been become one of the major economic part of the country which led to the development. So sports, many big industries and many businessmen and even the Bollywood celebrities are trying to invest in sports and they are making a good amount of money. We can take an example of IPL. That many IPL teams which are being bought by the many Bollywood celebrities and big businessmen, they are making tons and tons of money from that. That's all. Thank you.
Good. The HR department of your college.
Good evening everyone. I would like to talk about HR department. In today's world, each and every organization requires HR department because growth and development of an organization is totally depend on the human resources who are working in the organization because they are the main factor of production who is the producing and helping us to grow our organization. So HR department takes care of the all hiring and firing, payroll, employee relationship and compensation to the employees. These are the main factors which are important in every organization. That's all. Thank you.
Tell us about internet.
Internet. In today's world, we all are aware about the internet. Internet plays an important role. There are so many facilities provided by the internet. Like internet is a global worldwide network. It provides so many informations related to anything. If you want to get knowledge, you will search on the internet. So it is very good. It is good, very way to know and to get the knowledge about anything. And there are so advantages and disadvantages of internet also. So if we use internet more than limit, then it can be a disadvantage. It can give the disadvantages. So you use internet but in limits. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Tell us about sports.
Sports are very important in our life to save and for our health. I can say that because if we are good in sports, it can be helpful to decrease the diseases because our health is important and to avoid the diseases we should play any type of sports. That's all. Thank you.
Tell us about personality.
Personality. Personality is an important factor and it plays a very important role in our career also and in our professional life also, because how you personality is what personality is the way you behave with other people in an organization. Each and every organization requires the employee who is good in behavior, who has a good personality. So you should have a good personality. That's all. Thank you.
Tell us about bank.
Bank. Money plays an important role in our life, and what we want that the money should be securely, safely we can put somewhere, and bank is a way through which we can deposit the cash, withdraw the cash. There are so many facilities which are provided by the banks, like depositing cash, withdrawing the cash, transferring cash. Nowadays the bank also providing the online application in our mobile. We can upload that, we can download that applications in our phone, and we can transfer the money from here to another city, like anywhere. It saves the time and it is very helpful to in the time saving. That's all. Thank you.
Great. Tell us about computers.
Hi friends, today I am in front of you to tell you about some words about the computers. And before telling you about the computers, I would like to tell you about the father of the computers. We all know that Charles Babbage is considered to be the father of the computers, and computers are electronic devices which can perform mathematical and logical operations. And the computer has mainly three parts. It's an input device, output device, and a central processing unit device. And input device means, for example, what we can tell is there is a mouse or an input device like and output. In case of output device, we have monitors, printers, etc. And that's all about computers.
Okay. Global warming.
Global warming, hi friends, today I would like to tell you about the global warming. And in case of global warming, we are facing some serious problems because the greenhouse gases, mainly CHC, the carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, which are harming our environment. Global warming is mainly caused due to these greenhouse gases, and this what it does means these greenhouse gases will create a outer covering on our atmosphere, and it will prevent. That's all about that.
About importance of wearing helmet.
Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the importance of wearing helmet. And helmets are somewhat which are helpful for our life. Why? Because nowadays we all are driving that bikes and two-wheelers. In case of two-wheelers, we all need to use the helmet. Why? Because in case of an accident, it will help to survive from death. That's all about helmets.
Tell us something about Virat Kohli.
As you all know, Virat Kohli is the captain of our Indian cricket team, and he is nowadays performing very well. And 2 days before also, he has scored more than 50 score in a play. And because of that player, we are now winning games. And I wish him a good future. That's all about that.
Tell us about Onam festival.
Onam festival is well known by all of us, and we Keralites are celebrating that Onam festival, and it is celebrated all over Kerala by Christians, Hindus, Muslims, and all the people. Onam comes in the month of August and September, and we all enjoy in that Onam. That's all about Onam. Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Hello sir, I am fine, and you?
I am fine, thank you. Would you please speak a bit louder? That's all.
Okay.
It will catch the sound.
I am fine sir, and you?
Okay, wait. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I am fine, and you?
I am fine, thank you. So, are you a college student?
Yes, I am a college student.
So, in which college do you study?
I am studying in RMTC Nagar School of Engineering.
And what are you doing there?
I am doing mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. Okay, what was the syllabus in your first year?
So in first year, the syllabus was the basic engineering topic.
And what did you learn in the second year?
In second year, I studied the higher topics than the first year.
Okay, and where did you complete your schooling?
I complete my schooling in Aurangabad.
And how much percentage did you get in the 10th standard?
In 10th standard, I got 89%.
And where did you complete your 12th standard?
12th standard year, same in Aurangabad.
And how much percentage did you get in the 12th standard?
I got 76%.
And why did you come in Pune?
Because here the education is better than other universities, so I selected to come in.
Okay, what is your ambition?
I want to become a successful businessman.
Okay, and what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, watching movies, going with friends on a tour.
How many members are there in your family?
In my family there are 4 members.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Aditya.
Who is your role model?
My role model is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Okay, what did you do on the last Sunday?
Last Sunday I planned with friends and we go on a tour.
Okay, why did you join Inspiring English Speaking Center?
So I joined Inspiring English Speaking Center because from my friend I hear that it is the best open English classes in Pune.
Okay, what did you learn in Inspiring English Speaking Center?
I learned how to make presentation, how to talk in English fluently.
Okay, are you happy with the Inspiring English Speaking Center?
Yeah, much better.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So, which type of brand do you want?
Okay, I want a laptop for an official use. I have classes and I want the laptop for the official use.
Yeah, there is an Dell laptop for an official use. It
Okay.
which specifically do you want?
Is it the latest model of the day?
Yeah, it is the latest laptop in the day.
Okay, will you please tell some features of this model?
Yeah, it contains 4 GB RAM and resolution is full HD and it contains 2 GB graphic card. So it is very useful for your official work.
And what about inbuilt softwares?
Yeah, it contains i7 processor. It is a very latest processor in the laptop.
Okay, and what about which Microsoft Word are you going to install in it?
Yeah, it contains Windows 10.
Alright, fine. And how much does it cost, gentlemen?
It costs 15,000 rupees.
15,000 rupees. Okay, that's fine. It is a good amount and it is in my budget. So how can I pay you?
You can pay by debit card or cash.
Okay, here is my debit card.
Yeah, thanks. Sir, please pin.
Okay, it is the PIN number.
Okay, sir. This is the bill.
Okay, thank you very much.
I will give you 18 accessories with this and 2 years warranty.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I am fine, thank you. So, are you an engineering student?
Yeah, I'm an engineering student.
Okay, where are you studying?
I'm studying in RMD Srinagar.
And why did you select the engineering stream?
I want to become an engineer. So
Okay, which engineer would you like to become?
I want to become a computer engineer.
Okay, how many multinational companies are in the computer field?
There are so many MNCs are there.
Which can you name some MNCs?
Accenture, Infosys.
Okay, what is your dream company?
My dream company is Infosys.
Infosys. Who is the founder of Infosys? Alright, fine. And who is your role model as an engineer?
Shiva Ayurveda, who invented the email.
Okay, and why did you select engineering as your career?
There are so many my cousins who become a successful engineer, and I have heard from them it is the best stream you can try that.
And what is your dream job in engineering field?
I want to become an Java developer
And where would you like to get settled as an engineer?
in Pune.
In Pune. Do you think Pune is a good place for the engineers?
Yeah, it is the best place. It is a safe and for girls.
And what are the facilities in Pune for the engineers?
There are so many for living and all expenses.
Are there enough multinational companies for the engineers?
Yeah, in Pune there are so many multinational companies compared to others.
Okay, what do you think about the engineering career for the other youngsters? Should they select the engineering as a career?
If they are passionate about engineering, then they should join.
Okay. And are you happy with your progress as an engineering student? Are you confident that you will get your ambition?
I will try for getting my job, and I think I will get.
Okay, wish you all the best and good luck for your job. Bye bye.
Can I help you?
Yes, of course. I just want to buy a newest and latest mobile handset.
Which type of mobile do you want?
I want the latest mobile handset for myself. Which latest mobile handsets have you got?
Here are so many companies mobile available like EMI Mobile, Samsung, and other.
Okay, what is the cost of MI mobile?
EMI latest model cost is 50,000 rupees. Do you want EMI Mobile?
Would you please tell me some features of this MI mobile?
In this latest mobile, 32 GB internal memory, 4 GB RAM, and 12 megapixel camera.
And how much does it cost?
It cost is 15,000 rupees.
Would you please offer me some discount?
No sir, company discount give 2%, and I will give 3% to you.
Okay, and how can I pay you?
You can pay by
Can I pay by debit card?
yes, you can pay debit card also.
Okay, here is my debit card. I will.
Please put your number.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay sir.
Can I get my mobile, please?
Yes, it is your mobile.
Okay. And bill?
The company will send the bill.
What is about AutoCAD?
AutoCAD is the basic software of Civil. It is a 2D and 3D software. AutoCAD is the computer-aided software. It is used in construction architecture form. There are lots of uses of AutoCAD. That's all. Thank you.
Tell us about Veer Dam.
Veer Dam is constructed in government of Maharashtra. It is released in 1962. There are Veer Dam is 70 kilometers from Pune. There are lots of uses of Veer Dam. First, irrigation. The purpose of Veer Dam is irrigation and farming. That's all. Thank you.
Tell us something about your family.
There are 5 members in my family. My father, brother, sister, and my mom and me. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. My brother doing a job and my sister also doing job. And I study in RNG college in GCB. That's all.
Tell us something about mobile.
Mobile, there are lots of uses of mobile. First, mobile connects lots of people at a time. Mobile is used for navigation purpose, and also there are some tools in mobile like a calculator. This is used in our day-to-day life. That's one thing.
Tell us something about trees.
There are lots of uses of trees. Trees are used mainly for a medical purpose, and trees gives us oxygen. Gives us fruits. Fruits are there are many uses of fruits. Fruits are fat free and fruits are low cholesterol. That's all.
Great. क्या
All about Google. Google is an American multinational technology company. Its founder is Larry Page, and it launched at 4th September 1998, and it provides the internet services like search engine, YouTube, etc. And it also provides the product like Google Pixel phones. That's something.
Tell us about Cyrus Poonawalla.
Cyrus Poonawalla is an Indian businessman. Indian businessman, and it is the richest person in India. And it has his son Adar Poonawalla. And that's all.
Okay, tell us about pollution.
There are 3 main pollution types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. It generally caused by industrial waste dumped by the air, soil, or water. That's something.
Tell us about lathe.
Lathe machine is the mother of all the machines. We can operate any operation on that, like knurling, champering, drilling, and etc. It has compound rest, cross-slide, headstock, tailstock, and etc. Thank you.
Tell us about mobile.
Mobile is a device for, generally we use the mobile for calling, but in today's generation we use it for the social media purpose, and it contains so many processors like iOS, Android, Snapdragon, and something.
If I will get chance once time, I will visit to Thailand. Okay, thanks. And one minute, I am very thankful for Shantinath Patil sir, because he encouraged me my confidence and speaking English. I am very much thankful.
Today I would like to share my experience in this academy. I joined this academy last month. Before coming to this academy, my English was not so good. I can understand English, but I cannot speak very well. But now I can improve more my English. I can speak more confidently. I push myself more and more to speak English. See, English is an international language. Today, everybody can try to speak in English. Nowadays, in all the multinational companies and in BPOs, the English speaking is become more necessary. I think for improving our English speaking, we should do more practice to speak in English. We should listening more and more English videos and more English conversation to improve our English. We should also read more English newspapers, English books or English magazine as much as possible whenever we get time. We should also speak more English whenever we get opportunity. We should speak. We should speak even in broken sentences. As our sir always said that keep your lips moving or keep your lips speaking. So I think we should do more and more practice with English. As such, speak here a slogan: practice makes man perfect. So we should do more and more practice to speak English. So I think I can speak English anywhere to anyone, not fluently but confidently, without any hesitation. At last but not the least, I would like to thank Patil sir, Vikram sir, who always inspiring me to speak English. Thank you so much.